Hey, what's up guys? Today we're back with another video where I record my door closers every single month. So there is going to be another video also coming out before this one, but it's going to be this series again. But I actually done it last month, but I completely forgot about it, so I'm going to repost that one, and then also going to do this one. So I don't know if I recorded in the last one, but new thing we have is the Arrow logo is now on the closers, as you can see. Because I got a label printer, which is right here. It's like a Bluetooth one. But anyways, another thing with this closer, which definitely wasn't in the last video, is it's starting to make a new sound. Now, it already does 2 sounds already. It squeaks from there, and the rubbing is really loud on this because of the spring. But now, oh, that cover's a bit loose. There are screws on there. But the thing is, this closer now is making a spring sound. Not just the rubbing sound, it's making like a popping spring sound. So let's see if I can get it to do it. That noise. Hear that popping noise? That's the spring doing that. Do one where the phone is literally right next to it. But yeah, that's all with this closer. And oh yeah, another thing, it is starting to squeak from there too. Which is probably going to get louder. I think it's because, yeah, it's because that part bends onto the arm, so it's obviously hitting the arm and making it squeak, isn't it? But yeah. Sorry about that, there was a fly. Do one more cycle. But yeah, next up we have the other Arrow, and this one also has the Arrow logo too. And I can take off the cover, because as I've said plenty of times, this has screw holes, but that doesn't, which is a bit annoying. But there's the actual closer on the inside. Now if I put my Crocs on, so I'll have to go outside in a minute. Put the mat down because it always sticks up like that and I can't open it properly. So if I open it, yeah, this is the speed on it right now. But yeah. Do one more and then we're going to go to the Marry door closer outside. Anyway, if we go outside, ignore all that. We have, actually hold on. Anyway, next closer we have is the Marry door closer, the one made from China. It's an alright closer, does its job. Not really a big fan of it, but yeah, I put it on the gate. This is one of the only closers I don't really use that much because it's like made from China and stuff, but yeah, here it is. What's cool about it though is it does have a hold open feature. That's one of the reasons why I still have it. There's someone there. I don't think it's adjusted from when I last had it, but I'll do one more cycle. I would have showed you the hold open feature, but someone's outside, so I'm gonna have to leave it for now. But yeah, thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let's do one more cycle of these two. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.